see him. Oh, got him. But you didn't. I can't see much. He's like flopping over. He doesn't know what hit him. Over again. Oh. He went behind some grass. He's kind of flopping to the left. Do you see him? Over again. Yeah. Can barely see him. He's inching towards the left. You can see him better now. I'll skip back so you can have a better angle. Kind of lay down flat now.
He's too low.
He's too low.
Too low.
Can we stop recording?